Here's how to quickly clean the engine of your Prius. This is the third generation and this takes about 10 minutes. So first, that engine cover just pops right off. It actually has little nipples that fit into these rubber holes. So you just pop that off, you get it out into the yard. Use something like Simple Green. It's made out of plastic and I don't believe it's painted. So you just want to use some kind of mild cleaner. The only thing on it is that pad that might absorb a bunch of water. Other than that, it's just a piece of plastic. I used Simple Green and a toothbrush. Rinse it off and it's 100 times better. And then go in and just dry dust it with a paper towel. There's a lot of dust where I live. And then leaf blow it clean. And then we're going to get the Simple Green stuff out, or imitation Simple Green, clean the surfaces. And then old friend Mr. Armor All finishes up the job. And then there's the 3 holes that go onto the 3 nipples on your engine. You snap that back on, and then at least the first impression opening your hood will be much better than it was. I'd recommend doing this if you're trying to sell a Prius before you sell it. When I bought this one, it was dirty, and I said, hey man, the engine's dirty, give me a discount, and it worked. And for comparison, looking at the after, here is the before. So you can see it is a startling difference in 10 minutes.